All right. So, as a physical therapist for people who are 55 plus, okay, I often have to find products that meet different needs for people, either for pain management or giving them a better quality of life. So, one of the products that I found was the Mieta ergonomic folding cushion. Okay. And why did I choose this product over other ones? Is that one, I really like that it actually has the different angles of back support. Okay. I also appreciate that they're not adding any more pressure onto the pelvic floor than what is truly necessary. Okay. I also like finding something that is very lightweight that my older clients can easily take a chair, take a cushion from place to place. Okay. Because for real, the people who need this ergonomic folding cushion are the people who have a hard time of sitting in chairs that are made to be too big for them. Okay. Now, if you're more petite like me, I can get my feet to touch the floor, but my back doesn't touch the back of chairs. Okay. And even though I'm young and fit enough in order to hold my posture, okay, for other people, sitting still in a chair without support is actually very challenging for them. So that's where this product comes into place, is that this back support actually gives that support for somebody who needs it in a chair that doesn't quite fit them. Now, what I really like about it is that you can see that there are different settings. So as you adjust the settings, it changes the angle of the backrest, okay? But also, all you got to do is pinch this and it can fold up very easily, okay?